I'm Weimin Ye. I'm the section chief and the nematologist in Agronomic Division in the Nematode assay lab. Nematodes is a microscopic worm. It's very small in size. The size is about 1 millimeter long. They usually live in the soil and cause considerable damages to the plant. Some of the nematode species are above the ground, like in the seed or damaged leaves. Most of the nematodes are in the soil. There are about 26 described nematode species. Only 10% of them are plant parasitic. The problem is mostly the damage is by the direct feeding on the root and cause a lot of damages to the root system. So the crop cannot uptake nutrient. It also causes secondary infection by the other pathogens because the nematode has a stylet. They can attack the root and cause mechanical damage to the root system and leave the wound to the other pathogens to go inside the root, like the bacteria and the fungi. First of all, they need to collect the soil and send it to the lab for nematode assay. Because nematode is microscopic, you cannot see it in the field. They usually don't have a specific symptom, except for root knot nematode that can cause loss on the root. The other nematode doesn't cause significant damage. So the damage can be very similar, like nutrient deficiency. Then you can look at our nematode report. On our report, we will identify the nematode species, count the population level, determine the hazard index, and give a site-specific recommendation to manage the problem. The nematode control includes chemical treatment, using resistant variety, or rotation. So growers or citizens can take a lot of approaches to control the nematodes. And the nematology lab is the largest nematode lab in the country. We analyze about 36,000 nematode samples a year. In the other states, they usually analyze at the most several thousand. Working in the lab sometimes it can be very stressful because the experiment is difficult to do, and you have to repeat all the time. You need to be self-motivated. You need a good education to get the training. You need to have a strong mindset to achieve your goals. And I'm glad I took this job.